Usage of the speech protection system Druid D-06. Power and recharging. When the Druid D-06 is used for the first time, it will be necessary to use it with the power adapter to charge the internal battery. It will take approximately 9 hours for full charging. In case the device has been stored for a long time, it is recommended to recharge it once each 6 months. Headsets. It is recommended to use high-quality headsets manufactured by well-known producers. Low-quality headsets may cause a loopback effect at great distances from the unit. These are beeping or whistling sounds coming from the unit speakers. 12 foam rubber mouthpieces are supplied in the standard set. It is recommended to put the mouthpiece on the headset's microphone for 2 reasons. It will make the sound of your voice softer in the headphones of your interlocutors. Cuts out whistling sounds. It will help to prevent lip reading in cases where there is or could be video surveillance in operation. The Druid D-06 can work with these 6 headsets simultaneously, i.e., up to 6 persons can take part in a conversation. Conducting conversations. 1. Distribute the headsets among the participants and connect the headsets to the Druid D-06. Place the headsets at a distance no closer than 50 centimeters to the unit. 2. Let the participants put on the headsets. 3. Turn on the Druid D-06 by pressing the on button. Check the battery status and, if necessary, connect the power adapter. 4. Ask each participant to speak or check yourself that each headset is working properly. Watch the indicator on the front panel to see if the headset is working well. The corresponding channel will show a changing level synchronously with speaking. 5. Make sure that the headset's microphone is as close to the mouth as possible. This will provide better listening for your interlocutors and additionally will protect you from lip reading in cases where there is hidden video surveillance. 6. To avoid a loopback effect, during conversation, do not approach the unit too closely. If any of the headsets are not being used, switch its microphone off or disconnect it from the unit. 7. During conversations, watch the battery bar graph to be aware of how long the battery will last. If necessary, connect the power adapter. The Druid D-06 system provides protection of conversations against all kinds of listening, not depending on the existence of eavesdropping devices in the area. But we recommend you use additional searching and detecting equipment to be informed as to whether there is bugging being performed. Such information is important as it may help you to change your behavioral activity in the future.